So today's book is Machine Learning Engineering in Action by Ben Wilson. And initially I bought this book about to learn more about machine learning engineering, but I found out it was a treasure trove on how to make data engineering and machine learning projects succeed. They often fail, as you can find out, for example, in a recent article by Gartner. Uh, Only 53% of data science projects, machine learning projects, reach production. And it becomes clear that Ben Wilson, the author, has had his own uh, problems with some projects getting them in production. And he has some very concrete advice how to make these projects more successful. Uh, yeah, the first three chapters are very interesting because of that. For example, the third chapter is a case of which describes how machine learning projects fail and how to make them succeed. So it's about a shoe sales web shop, and the business asks the data scientist, "Can you make a recommendation engine for us?" So they said, so the data scientists say, "Well, yeah, we could use this algorithm, that algorithm. Maybe we should read some more papers on this. And yeah, we think we can do this." So the business says, "Great, see you in 2 months when you show the demo." And of course, this goes disastrously wrong because nobody talks in the between time. Everybody's on their own with their own assumptions. Data scientists show their minimal viable product. They show how to buy a pair of shoes, red pumps, and the recommendation engine comes up with the same shoes in blue, purple, and green. And the business says, yeah, that is useless. If that's all you've done in these last 2 months, then we might as well just stop the whole project. And misery all around. And in the book, Ben Wilson describes how this could have been avoided. And uh, of course, you can imagine the regular advice: talk more with business, do more agile. But luckily, the book is much more concrete than that, and I'm really happy about that. And I really found it useful because of that. So this has some interesting advice, like for the data scientist. Ask the business what they have built and create themselves. It turns out that often the business were already trying to create something themselves, but they weren't technically able to do so, and that's why they knocked on the door of the data scientist. But in doing this exercise, they solved a lot of problems that the data scientists now don't have to solve themselves. So take advantage of what the business already has found out. For example, these orders, the product numbers, like from the shoes with different colors, how to solve that problem, the business already knows often. So that was very interesting. There are a lot of other things about how to communicate better, how to have better meetings that are more useful, where everybody understands what everybody is saying. There's a lot of that goes into concrete steps. So I really liked about that, and I actually would say that I would love everybody who's working on data projects, not just machine learning projects, but data projects, to read the first three chapters of that book, because if we do so and follow the advice, I think a lot more data projects will be successful. So that's my tip for this week, and see you next week.